Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Question number 3 from Industries of Karnataka. The region with the highest number of industries. The region with the highest number of industries. Okay. Options are option A, Belagavi, Dharwad. Option B, Mysuru, Mandya. Option C, Bengaluru, Kolar. Option D, Dakshina Kannada, Udupi. Karnataka has 5 industrial zones or industrial regions. Okay, that is Bengaluru, Kolar, Belagavi, Dharwad, Dakshina Kannada, Udupi, Bellari, Raichur, and Mysuru, Mandya. Among which Bengaluru, Kolar, Tumkur is the highest industrial region. Okay, it has highest number of industries. Okay. Option C, Bengaluru, Kolara, Tumakuru. Tumakuru is also there. Okay. Thank you.